Sairam children, welcome to maths class. Children, let us continue with our chapter number 8, measurement. Today we are going to solve exercise 8.3. So children, take out your textbook and your classwork. Our first question is convert into grams. Children, write down the question in your classwork. A1 6 kg. Okay, so we have to convert kg into grams. Okay, that is kilograms into grams, right? And we know the formula. What is the formula? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Correct? So let us solve it. First, I'll write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Correct? Children, in our last class we have learned how to convert from kilogram to grams, right? We can convert by multiplication, correct? We have to multiply by 1000, right? So 6 kg is equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 grams. Okay, so 6 into 1000 is 6000 grams. Correct? So this is how we can convert. Children, please note it down in your classwork. Okay, second one, B, 8 kg. So children, let us start. First, I will write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 8 kgs will be 8 into 1000 gram. Correct? So 8 into 1000 is 8000 grams. Got it, children? Please note down in your classwork. So children, next one is even 9 kg and 125 grams. Children, here we have both the units together and we have to convert into grams. Correct? So in this, first this number which is in grams, 125. Okay, this we are not going to touch because it is already in grams. First we are going to convert only 9 kg. Okay, so we know how to convert from kg to gram, correct? We have to multiply by 1000. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore 9 kg will be 9 into 1000 grams. Correct? 9 into 1000 is 9000 grams. Now we have converted 9 kg, right? So next step is we will write the question and then we are going to replace 9 kg, okay, by 9000 grams which we have got. Okay, so 9 kg is equal to 9000 grams. And what is remaining here? 125 grams that we will add plus 125 grams. Okay, children, 9000 plus 125 is equal to 9125. Let us write here 9125 grams. Okay, children. Note it down, children, properly. Children, next one is F question. This I have already done for you. 10 kg and 75 grams. Okay. So children, first we have to convert kg into grams. Okay. 10 kg into grams. As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 10 kg is equal to 10 into 1000 grams. Correct? 10 into 1000 is 10,000 grams. So first we have converted this. Next step is we will write the question and then we are going to replace this 10 kg, okay, into grams. So 10 kg is 10,000 grams plus what is remaining is 75 grams plus 75 grams. Okay, then we have to add. Children, add properly. See here, 10,000 plus 75, correct? So answer is 10,075 grams. Got it, children? Children, now write question number 2. Convert into kilograms and grams. First A question is 8,000 grams. Now we have to convert grams into kilograms, correct? In such a case, what do? We divide by 1000, right? So let us solve. 8,000 grams is equal to 8,000 divided by 1,000, okay, kilogram. Children, you can directly divide or you can use cancellation method also, okay. So here we can cut the number of zeros. Here 1 0 cut, this side 1 0 cut, here also 1 1 0 cut, and here also 1 0 cut. What is remaining? 8 divided by 1, which is equal to 8, correct? So answer is 8 kg. Okay, so 8,000 grams is equal to 8 kg. Children, next question is B1, 33,000 gram. Okay, so let us solve it. Well, if we need to convert from gram to kilogram, we have to divide by 1000, correct? So 33,000 gram is equal to 33,000 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, children, now we have to divide or we can cancel the zeros, correct? So let us cancel. Okay, what we have got here, 33 divided by 1, which is left. 33 divided by 1 is 33. So the answer is 33 kg. Okay. Children, note down properly in your classwork. Children, next is E1, 4,887 grams. Okay. Now children, here we have to convert this into kilogram and grams, correct? So here we have to expand the number. We have to expand the number in thousands place. Okay. So first step is to expand the number. 4,887 gram is equal to, which number is in thousands place? Number 4, correct? So the place value of number 4 in thousands place is 4,000. So when we expand, how we will write? 4,000 grams plus what is remaining here? 887 grams, correct? If you add, you will get the same answer. 4,000 plus 887 is 4,887, right? This is step 1. Step 2 is we are going to convert 4,000 grams into kilograms, correct? Because it is easy. 4,000 gram is equal to, okay, how we will convert? We have to divide by 1000. 4,000 divided by 1000 kilogram, correct? So when we divide, we will get the answer as 4. It is 4 kg. Now we have converted this part. Okay. So we will get our final answer. Let us write the expanded form. 4000 gram plus 887 gram is equal to 4 kg plus 887 grams, right? We cannot add both of them because one is in kg and one is in gram. So we will remove the addition sign and we will get our final answer. Right? So children, our answer is 4 kg 887 grams. See children, here the same way, first we have to expand the number, then we will convert 4000 gram into kilogram, then we are going to replace this 4000 gram into kilogram and we can write the final answer. Okay children, next one is F1, 6901 gram. Okay, so first step is to expand the number. Now this one I have done for you. Let us go through it. So how we will expand? We will expand in thousands place, correct? So it will be 6000 gram plus 901 gram. After this we are going to convert this 6000 gram into kilograms, right? So 6000 gram is equal to 6000 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, so we will divide it, or we will use cancellation method. We'll cancel the zeros and we'll get the answer 6. So it is 6 kg, correct? After that we will write the expanded form and we are going to replace this 6000 gram into kilogram, which is 6 kilogram, plus what is remaining, 901 gram. We will remove the addition sign and we will get our final answer, which is 6 kilogram and 901 gram. Got it children? Please note down. Children, next one is question number 3. Guess and match the column. This you are going to do it in your textbook itself. Okay. Now here in column A we have few figures. Okay, we have cookie, sugar, candy, then elephant and a chocolate, correct? So and column B we have all the weight. So you have to think like which is heavier and which is lighter. According to that we can match the columns, correct? So now first let us think about which is the heaviest of all. Okay, now in column A, the heaviest of all, I can see an elephant, obviously, right? So and column B, the weight which is the most, okay, it is 550 kilograms, correct? So elephant, match it with 1 which is 550 kg. Okay, now after that the next heaviest which we can see here is sugar bag, correct? Now sugar bag we get it in 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg, correct? So here we have 5 kg, correct? So sugar will be 5 kg. Now let us take cookies. Now cookies, okay, now in if you have seen your biscuits, okay, behind, mostly they are in grams, okay, they are not in kgs. So cookies will be 25 grams. Okay, next is candy, chocolate. It is the smallest of all, okay, and here the smallest of all is 1 gram. So candy will be 1 gram and last chocolate will be 100 grams. Children, match it properly. Children, now question number 4, fill in the blanks. Children, this question you will write the answer directly in the textbook. Okay. Now A1 is 3065 kg is equal to dash kg and dash gram. Now children, these questions we are going to solve orally. Okay, and how we can solve orally here? Let us see. In our question we have 3065 kg, kilogram, correct? Now when we have to convert from kg into kg and gram, that time the last 3 digit, okay, it is in grams, and after that it will be in kg. So you can just draw a line here, okay. After, see here, the last 3 digit is ones place, tens and hundreds. After that you can just draw a line so that you can understand how many kgs are there and how many grams. So your answer is 3 kg and 65 grams. Same here also children. C1 we have 74,025 grams. Okay. So you can just draw a line here after last 3 digit. So your answer will be 74 kg and 25 grams. Got it children? Write it down in your textbook. Children, now it's time for homework. Okay. From question number 1, convert into grams. Then question number 2, convert into kilograms and grams. Note down the homework sums. And last one, question number 4, fill in the blanks. You can write the answer in the textbook itself. Okay. Others all you are going to solve in homework notebook. Okay. Thank you children. Have a good day.